Hello, my name is Jenna Godown. I'm in the veterinary science program at MVCTC, and my project is over free martin cattle. The cause of a free martin is when there are two twins in the same womb at the same time, so a cow is pregnant with twins, one of them being a male and one of them being a female. The hormones from the male fetus transfer into the female fetus through a process called anastomosis. Anastomosis is a connection between the two circulatory systems of the two fetuses. And then through this process, the testosterone from the male calf or the bull cancels out the estrogen from the female calf or the heifer. Depending on the state of development that the calves are in when the testosterone is transferred depends on if the heifer is a free martin or not. If the female fetus is fully formed and developed her reproductive cycle before the testosterone reaches her, then she has a greater chance of not becoming a free martin. There's two ways to test if you have a free martin. One of them is by drawing blood and sending it to a lab in an EDTA tube. They look for chromosomes. If they find X chromosomes, then the heifer is a heifer, but if they find both X and Y chromosomes, then she did have contact with testosterone in the womb and she is a free martin and will not be able to reproduce. The second way of testing, which is the method that I used, I took two of my heifers that I have at my house that were born to a twin bull calf and took a probe, put lube on it, and you insert it into the vagina. If it is inserted more than 7 centimeters, then you have a higher probability of that heifer being able to reproduce, and you need to draw blood and send it to the lab in the EDTA tube to verify that you do not have a free martin. For my first heifer, the probe only went in 5 centimeters, which proves that she is not a free martin, or that she is a free martin. And in the second heifer, it only went in about 3 centimeters, which she is also a free martin and will not be able to reproduce. The odds of a cow having twins is about 1 in 200 chances, and the chance for a cow to have a bull heifer set is about 0.0025%. And about 97% of the 0.0025 will be free martins, and the other 3% will be able to reproduce. So it is very rare for a heifer to be able to reproduce. Over on the side of my poster board, you can see the vulva of a free martin. It is not extended the full length, and you only have the end of the urinary tract. And then down here you have a picture of a heifer that is able to reproduce, and you have the end of the reproductive tract and the end of the urinary tract. Conclusion is that free martin is a birth defect that can be detected 2 different ways, by blood and by probe, and there's no way to prevent this from happening.